Hi everybody, I'm Nidhi Tandon and we are based out of Delhi, Malviya Nagar, strictly a studio by appointment. It's not a standalone store with a board. It's a studio by appointment. We are also Delhi Exhibition World Top 30, fifth time award winners on a particular site. And we are here to show you today a free flow casual classic collection जिसमें हम shirts, kaftans और dresses दिखा रहे हैं. That's it. So it's like a holiday edit, midsummer sale for you guys, and everything is on a budget price. So please follow us on Instagram, which is mystic_studio26, and also follow us on Facebook, which is Mystic Studio by Nidhi with 36,000 followers. Now let me tell you the criteria. You can buy a single piece or you can amalgamate a collection if you are a startup, if you are a multi-designer owner, if you are a boutique owner, और अगर आपको इंक्वायरी करनी है किसी एग्जीबिशन के लिए स्टॉक लेना है, we are the answer. In the video we're going to be giving you a view of the studio itself also, and you will know exactly where we stand. So we are in exhibitions in Ludhiana, Agra, Chandigarh, Delhi, B2B towns, everywhere you will find us. Apart from all Delhi exhibition world, the best shows up there. So that's about it. And DHL for abroad and DTDC couriers for India. आपका पार्सल ओपनिंग वीडियो बहुत मैंडेटरी है हमारे लिए, to give you the right input as to me or my team has packed the thing properly or not. Thank you so much. Let's start off the video. Starting off with some beautiful shirts, and this is all in all metal work. ये metal work की शर्ट है, बहुत ही pretty है, and पूरी shirts की edit दिखा रही हूँ. That's the lookbook of the piece. The price is 1350 only. It's a statement piece और ये आएगी मीडियम, लार्ज और एक्सेल वालों को स्मॉल से. नेक्स्ट पीस आपका बेज, एक और बेज में हम दिखा रहे हैं. ये आपका मीडियम टू प्लस जाएगा और पूरी इसमें आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी देख सकते हो, टोन ऑन टोन एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद दिस. दैट्स द शर्ट. प्राइस इज 1195 only. All accessories are all included. Then we have a pure cotton linen bracket, और इस ब्रैकेट का आप ये देखो, कटवर्क देखो, इसका सारा कटवर्क आ रहा है. ये भी कटवर्क, ऑक्सीडाइज नेक पीस. दिस इज द लुक बुक ऑफ द पीस. मीडियम टू डबल एक्सल कैन बाय. पीछे तक कटवर्क चल रहा है. 1295 only. Another one is this, and this is a royal number, medium to 3XL now with the beads. 1195 only. Another piece is 888 का ब्रैकेट है ये वाला, और मीडियम टू एक्सेल डबल एक्सेल रहेगा. पूरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, सुपर कूल कॉटन पीस है, 888 ओनली का. Another one is this. So ये वाला जो पीस आ रहा है मीडियम टू 3XL वालों को आएगा, और बहुत ही प्रिटी नंबर है. बीच में इधर से शिफले लेस आ रही है, बीड्स हैं ये. And the price of this is 1095 only. 1095 only. Then we have an imported piece like this. This is a beautiful number. स्मॉल मीडियम लार्जेस्ट के लिए परफेक्ट रहेगा. पूरा शिफले है, अपने अकॉर्डिंग आप इनर डाल सकते हो. और द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज 1050. स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज. Another one is this. प्योर मल कॉटन का पीस है ये. प्योर मल कॉटन का पीस है, और ये आपका आ रहा है XL टू 3XL ब्रैकेट में. ये आपका नेक पीस आ गया, 888 only. Another shirt. So these are all single pieces, guys. And this one is a very dramatic piece, if you see, with a beautiful neck piece. ये आपका नेक पीस आप किसी भी गारमेंट के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. प्योर कॉटन है, ये सारा शिफले आ रहा है, ये देखो पूरा शिफले आ रहा है. मीडियम से लेकर आपका ये आ रहा है ओनली टिल डबल एक्सल. प्राइस इज 1195 ओनली. Another article is a small, medium, large and XL, and इसका आप एप्लीक वर्क देख लो कितना सुंदर है, पूरा एप्लीक आ रहा है। ये आपका सुपर सॉफ्ट नेक पीस आ गया, 1195 ओनली, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज एंड एक्सेल। another one is this, अगेन इसमें आपका इस तरह से स्लीव्स आ जाते हैं। ये आपका नेक पीस आ गया, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल कैटेगरी का पीस है। प्लीज रिमेंबर द साइज ब्रैकेट। सुपर चीज कॉटन, प्राइस इज ओनली 999 only. Plus sizes, we haven't forgotten you. Very pretty, nice article. All handwork, very rich series, beads, और ये आ गई एम्ब्रॉयडरी। सो मीडियम टू प्लस गाइस फॉर दिस ब्यूटिफुल पीस। इस तरह से पूरा कट दाने का काम है, बीड्स हैं, प्राइजेस 1295 ओनली। Another one, ये वाला आपका स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज है और सारी इसमें एम्ब्रॉयडरी है। अगेन स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज एंड एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल, यू कैन चेक विद अस, yes, mostly yes, and the price is 1195 only. Another cheese cotton piece, पूरा हैंड वर्क, सॉरी थ्रेड वर्क, plus a neck piece, medium to double XL bracket. You can have a look at this thing, 1050 only, pure cotton. Another one, small, medium, large and a double XL bracket with beads, very pretty number. ये आपके beads ही बहुत सुंदर है, 999 only. So this is a statement shirt guys, medium to आपकी ये रहेगी double XL, comes with this kind of a neck piece. The price is 1195 only. And then we have this one, light blue color में, pure cotton की, and a beautiful cheese cotton coming in. And look at this, this is for 1350 only. Another one is this green, look at this one, मीडियम से लेकर ये आपकी डबल एक्सेल रहेगी। लुक एट द वर्क, इट्स 1195 ओनली। एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन, सो दिस वन इज अ 999 एंड दिस इज अ मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल विद दीज बीड्स। Another one is this, so this one is a black color, medium to XL रहेगी, and look at the amount of work on this. So double XL can check with us, maybe we have a double XL also. Price is 1095 only. Another one is this, this is a medium to a 2XL, 3XL category. Look at the embroidery, the price is 1250 only. And now this kind of a material, which is a hosiery, which is a hosiery, and this is good between a medium to a 3XL, and it's butterflies, like I'm wearing butterflies today. Similarly you have this one, and the price point of this is only and only 888. Then we have an imported piece like this one, medium to 3XL bracket, price is 888 only. Another one, medium to 4XL, a beautiful white, dirty white, and this is all in all shifling, and a very pretty piece for 1195. Let's go. Another one is this, medium to plus है guys, ये बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है, मीडियम टू प्लस, कॉटन ल्यूरिक्स है ये, प्राइस इसका है 999. Another one, मीडियम टू प्लस, अगेन बहुत ही अच्छा पीस है मीडियम टू प्लस में. लुक एट दिस, द प्राइस इज 1195 ओनली. Another one, small, medium, large and एक्सेल, प्योर कॉटन में है ये, पूरा फुल ऑन एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, बीड्स है, प्राइजेस 1195 ओनली। अनदर वन, ये भी आपका शिफले में बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है। शिफले पीसेस आर नॉट इजी to get like this because these are quite expensive pieces, and at the moment we are giving for 1250. look at the शिफले at the back also. अगर मार्केट से लोगे यही पीस आपको 3500 का मिलेगा इतने से शिफले में। नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल, वेरी प्रिटी ऑफ वाइट, दीज आर ऑल वेरी स्पेशल पीसेस। अगर आप देखें तो बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है विद दीज, look at the embroidery and look at the beads, बहुत प्यारा आर्टिकल है। मीडियम टू 2XL ब्रैकेट, प्राइजेस 1250 ओनली। अनदर वन, इसके आगे और पीछे दोनों में एम्ब्रॉयडरी है और प्योर कॉटन मल है। मीडियम टू XXL ट्रिपल XL ब्रैकेट, द प्राइजेस 1095 ओनली। Another one, this one is a small medium large guys, that's your back, it's a peplum look, price is 1195 only. And then we have georgette pieces in medium to 5XL bracket, so ये दो पीस मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ जो कि 1000 rupees each है, and these are a little shimmer and very pretty nice classic numbers. Another piece in hosiery is this, it's 888 and the bracket is small, medium, large and XL. Another piece in hosiery is this with so much of embroidery, 1100 only, small, medium, large and XL only. This one is a 650, small, medium, large only with beads. 650, you need a slip for sure. Another one is a oversized piece guys, do not miss it. Oversized piece with this kind of a look, it's a pretty nice number. Look at this. Another one is this pure cotton diamante piece है, बहुत ही प्यारा, small, medium, large and XL, very pretty nice number. Another one is a off-white diaries, so ये आपका off-white piece आ रहा है और हिप कवरिंग है, मीडियम टू 4XL ब्रैकेट, प्राइजेस ओनली 999। स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज एंड XL इक्कत पीस, प्राइजेस 999 only guys. And this is an imported piece, all and all thread work at both sides, and I'm wearing one of it, and that's the back for this one. So both are for sale and both are really special pieces of ours. The price is strictly on demand for this, do not misquote me. And then we have these two beautiful pieces. We have put neck pieces in all the things as you are seeing, and that's the same drape as I'm wearing. I've also kept this black for myself, it looks ravishing, and the price for this one is 1888 only. This doesn't have work at the back. Another one, now this is a beautiful kaftan, it's got all cotton, it's a cotton glaze cotton piece, it's a statement piece with beads, and it's got all beautiful thread work. That's your back with this beautiful neck piece. The price is only and only 1650 only. Another one is again with beads, look at this, and this kind of a work, it's a apple cut, and the price is 1650 only. Another piece which I'm showing you is this beige cotton, very pretty rugged look kaftan. So this we have in 3 colors. Color 1 is this, color 2 is this color in the rugged look, and the color 3 is this. So these are all classic pieces, all are 1495 only, and they are pure cotton linens. Then we have a little budget range in these short kaftans. So this is like a knee length, सो इसको आप कैसे भी यूज कर सकते हो विद बीड्स. द प्राइस इज ओनली फ्लैट 1000. Another piece is this. So this is a viscose rayon with beads. The price is only flat 1000. And another piece I'm showing you is this. So इसमें हमारे पास different prints मिलेंगे आपको. Price is 1195 with the beads, and it's a knee length dress cum kaftan. Another one is this. 1195 with beads, dress cum kaftan. Another piece is this one. Look at the beads. It's a good nice texture. 1195 with beads. Another one is this. So ये वाला जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ again a statement piece. 1195 with beads. Here you go with another beautiful number. Again 1195 with beads. ये भी बहुत सुंदर सा पीस है. Here you go with another print. So these are all knee length and they are like touching 38 inches in length, and they are statement pieces. And here you go with another beautiful piece. ये भी बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. 1195 only. And the next are our long kaftan. So long kaftan ये वाला जो हमारा दिखा रही हूँ मैं, ये 48 inches length का है with beads. Price is 1295. Another one is this 1295 only. एक और पीस है 1295 only का. Here you go with another nice article. ये आपका Swarovski है. इसमें बहुत प्यारा सा नंबर है. Very rich piece. I personally have the piece I was wearing in my last video. Same piece. So you can check it out from there. The price is 1295 only. It's a price drop in this. Another piece is this with the Swarovski with beads. 1295 only. And now a cotton one. So इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो cotton का आ रहा है. ये इसका back है. This is the back, pure cotton. Drawstrings are there. ये आपकी drawstrings आ गई. बहुत प्यारा सा काफ्तान है ये guys. Price is 1200 only. 1200 only. Another article. So ये वाला जो मैं आपको आर्टिकल दिखा रही हूँ, इट इज़ अगेन विद बीड्स. ये आपका विस्कोस रेयन पर है. बहुत प्रिटी सा आर्टिकल है. प्राइस इज 1250. सो गाइज दीज आर स्पेशल ड्रेसेस बाय मिस्टिक स्टूडियो and we create these, so it's not available in the market by any vendor anywhere. And this is the statement neck piece, and this is the cape with it, and this is the look. So this is more or less like a dress, but you can wear any lower with it. Ours is just a set. The price for this is 1999 only, and you can see the chantilly lace and a beautiful vibe. It's a free size with lot of margin, and look at this beautiful. And in this we are going a little deep and showing you more pieces. Then we have this one. So I have had pictures from my clients in this holiday edit wearing these kind of dresses and at different places all over India, all over the world. Pictures coming. And then we have this one. The price of this is 1650 only. And then we have this jacket. This one has a option of a crepe or a cotton inner with a Afghani neck piece. We've right now given you super soft crepe with a pure cotton Fab India sort of a jacket. The price is 1650 only. This one is a 1195. Again, हर पीस में बहुत सारा मार्जिन मिलेगा. 1195 only. Then we have got forward a wrinkle jacket. So this one is a wrinkle jacket. और उसके साथ हमने कॉटन अंदर देकर आपको स्टेटमेंट नेक पीस दे दिया. एवरी परचेज स्टेटमेंट नेक पीस इज बाउंड टू चेंज, क्योंकि जो जो साइजेस हैं इसमें प्लस तक साइजेस मिलेंगे आपको. प्राइस इज 1999 ओनली. Another piece with a wrinkle jacket. that's a wrinkle or a micro pore, जो भी आप बोलना चाहें material है. Price is 1999 only. There's a price drop in this. Another one is again a cotton inner, a statement cotton, lace cotton jacket, and this. The price is 1650 only. Another one is this. So ये भी आपका कॉटन का प्रीमियम आर्टिकल है. इसके अंदर हमने कॉटन लाइनिंग दे दिया, lace cotton lining and a pure cotton outer. The price is 1450 only. Another one is this. Again a pretty nice number. ये आपकी जैकेट आ गई. The jacket has all कटदाना all over. पूरा का पूरा कटदाना आ रहा है इसमें, देखिए, with beads. The price point of this article is with the कटदाना only and only 1595 only. And now a statement piece one. This is the zebra. और इसी के साथ आपका zebra इस पर भी है. It's a free size and you can get it made in all colors. कोई भी कलर गूगल से निकाल के दे दो और मैं बना दूँ. Prices on demand. Another high low which we make like that is this. So this is a beautiful piece and it is all sequins here. The price is 1650 only. And now प्योर लिनन ड्रेसेस. प्योर लिनन की ड्रेसेस में हम आपके लिए 2 कलर्स लेकर आए हैं. कलर 1 इज दिस लाइटर कलर, कलर 2 इज दिस. ये हमारी मीडियम से लेकर प्लस तक चलेंगी. मीडियम टू प्लस यू कैन बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट विद अस. नेक्स्ट पीस इज दिस. ये आपका माइक्रोपो का पीस आ गया. बहुत सुंदर है, रिंकल ड्रेस है. इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द एयरपोर्ट लुक गाइज. And that's the look of this, and it's a beautiful vibe. The price on the sale is 2195 only. Then we have a bohemian long dress, medium to the plus is available. Price is 1395 only. Then we have a A-line dress. You can consider it a kurta or a dress. I would consider it a dress. The price is 1350 only. Another one is this. Again medium to double XL, triple XL रहेगा. बहुत pretty सी डायरीज है. Look at the neck piece. Price is 1195 only. Then we have a black and white medium to double XL रहेगा. This kind of a neck piece. Price is 1195 only. Small, medium, larges. We haven't forgotten you with this beautiful piece. Look at this. Price is flat 1000. Another one is a 1250. Pure cotton piece. We have sizes small, medium to double XL only. 1195. The pieces which are coming right now are Pintex dresses, and they are especially made for dog charity. And this piece is a pure cotton blend, and it can fit from a small, medium to a 48 size. That's the beauty of the piece. And the second piece in that is this one. It comes with a wooden neck piece. This one is 1650, and Pintex takes hours to make. Another piece for 1850 is this. So these you can wear as a shirt, and you can wear a palazzo, or you wear it with a belt to make it a jumpsuit effect, to anything you desire. It looks just ravishing. So piece 1, 2 and 3. And now we have 2 bohemian dresses also, 2, 3. This one is a small, medium, large only. The price is 1100. And this one is also a small, medium, large only. The price is 1100 only. Then we have a couple of bohemian dresses. So this one is this kind of sleeves. That's the back with these beads. The price is only 795. The size is medium to a XL for this. So these are short dresses. And this one is again a 695 only with these beautiful beads. and the price is, the size is small, medium, large and XL. Another piece is a crepe dress, which is a small, medium only. This time up till a large with these beads. The price is 999 only. Another piece is this. So this one is medium to a plus size. Denim की dress है. Size 18 Marks and Spencer तक आराम से जाएगी. And नीचे से U-cut है. Price is only 1495. Another one is a small, extra small. At the most a medium, pure cotton linen statement dress with this ghungru neck piece, flat 1000. The people who love mull, this is a beautiful option. Beautiful option. Look at this. And it's a free size. It's a body shaper. You can even wear your trousers under it. The price of this with this kind of a neck piece is 1250 only. Free size. Small, medium only. Categorically. The price is flat 1000 only. And then we have this beautiful beige dress. Perfect. Nice piece. With this kind of a neck piece. Medium to 3XL. The price is 1350 only. And now another bohemian dress. Look at this. Small, medium, large and XL. Price is 888 only. Another piece is a beautiful free flow dress. Pure cotton linen की रहती है ये. और ये medium to plus जाती है. Price is 1250 only. Another one. Medium to double XL. A very pretty cute number. ये आपके Pintix आ गया. Oxidized neck piece आ गया. Price is only 999. A beautiful piece, and I don't think we require a neck piece to it. You can even make it into a kurta. It has high slits and you can close the slits as well. और ये पूरा हाथ का काम. 1200 only. 1200 only. This is a very nice wrinkle piece, and I personally have it. It looks so ravishing, and you can wear it to any lounge bar. It's just a ombre piece which looks so heavenly. The price is only 1195. Another one is this. Medium to double XL sizes are available. Price is only 695 only. Medium to XL sizes are available. Price is 888 only, and it has laces. Medium to plus sizes available in this one with a belt. Price is flat 1000 for this. And this one is again for dog charity. Small, medium, large only, and the price is 595. We would like to end our video here, guys, and I hope you watched the video. You can watch it in 2 parts as well, and you can follow us for more, because we have 7 racks in the studio, not 1, not 2, from casuals to formals to shararas to gararas. We have everything, and our supplies all over India, all over the world. So 3 cheers to our dear YouTube community. Please follow us on the Instagram also, which is mystic_studio26. And we also have a FB page of 36,000 people, which is, you can even follow us there. So that's Mystic Studio by name. Thank you.